guys, welcome back to a new video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this DIY scratch board. I'm also going to be trying voices today and see how it goes. So tell me in the comments down below if you like voice or text better. And now without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you're going to stick the wrapping paper onto the card or paper that you're using. If you're using crayons, you're just going to scribble all over the card with those crayons. If you're using wrapping paper like me, then just cut off all the excess. Next, you're going to want to mix some black paint and some dish soap. I don't know what happens if you just use normal hand soap. I've never tried that out, but all the recipes I've seen use dish soap, and then you're just going to mix that up. Now you're just going to paint the mixture on the card. This is looking pretty plain. Let's add some rainbow. Okay, so next you can just use a toothpick or a skewer and you can draw out on the card. You can make different designs, or you can write a quote. I wrote a quote but I kind of messed up, so then I had to cut it and I made it into kind of more of a bookmark shape. And here I just went over the words again to make it a bit more thicker and more readable. And I know you can't really see it in camera, but I'll show you after and you'll be able to see it better. Here's the finished result. I know the light is shining on it weirdly, so you can't see it that much, but it says the sky isn't the limit with footprints on the moon. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to go to the discussion part of my channel and answer the questions there, and tell me in the comments if you prefer me doing voice or text, and I'll see you next time. Bye!